Hello everyone. Ilang ngayon pala siya. Ay, hi everyone. So, good afternoon. Good afternoon. Magandang araw. So for now, nasa SM na naman ako at my favorite place. Favorite place na Dunkin. Pakita ko ha. So ito yung favorite place ko. This is Dunkin. That's Dunkin. Ano na, out of nowhere. And Abalon. Yan. So, ito yung harap ko. So, yan yung department store bench. So, yun. Yun yung nasa harap ko, guys. So, this is my favorite spot sa SM. And I was trying having my iced coffee here after naming kumain ng bracelet sa shopping. So, I was trying to purchase iced coffee but wala nang available. It's around mga 5:15 the evening ngayon. So, usually mga ganung time wala ng iced coffee dito sa Dunkin. I'm at SM Minbro sa Buanga. Hindi ko alam if naririnig nyo yung boses ko kasi may background sound but hoping na naririnig nyo. Actually, ang daming tao ngayon dito. As in, not the typical day at SM. Kasi usually kasi pag during daytime or yung the usual weekdays, wala masyadong tao. But for now, super dami. Full yung mga resto. And buti nga, when we go here sa Dunkin, may available na table and chair. So, yung kasama ko is na-grocery siya. And then, andun muna siya naninigarilyo. So, ako lang muna nga dito sa Dunkin while having coffee. Kagagaling ko lang ng office even though Saturday but may ginawa akong work. May previous vlog apart from this. Yun, hinihintay namin yung isang office meeting but baka hindi na siya pupunta kasi may prior commitment appointment siya. Supposed to be, I will be meeting my friend, doctor, kasi may pag-usapan kami about business but around mga 4 plus na ata. Gusto ko na rin umuwi kaya nagsabi na ako na by tomorrow, by the next day kami mag-meet to wrap up ang mga requirements ng business para before ipapacheck para for submission na and para ma-process na yung accreditation at maka-start na, guys. So, I hope narinig pa rin ako. Actually, yung DJI ko, may capability siya to follow yung object or human. So, ganyan, naka-follow siya sa akin. Kaya naka-follow siya. Kaya naka-follow yung cam because I activated it. Yung sa mga previous vlog ko, hindi ata yun na-activate. That's why. Hindi siya naka-follow. So, parang pagod the whole day. Gusto ko lang kumain. Nag-crave ako ng sati. So, I think if ever you're familiar with sati, guys, familiar kayo sa sati? I do always talking vlog. I hope incoming time, maka-travel vlog para I will be giving you my perspective on how to travel. Perspective on how to travel. And hoping naririnig nyo ako kasi quite malayo yung cam. And then sa cam na kasi ng DJI may built-in na microphone siya. So I hope you hear me. Just waiting for my office mate to come na babalik kasi andun siya, naninigarilyo. Tambay lang kasi in a while I'll be going home na rin. So kagagaling lang after nag-checking na off. After ko ng office nag-checking, then after uwi na rin kasi pagod ang person. Sakit ko dito ko na naman. I think because of the heaviness of my bag. And that's like lang kakarga-karga ng bag na. So I hope guys nag-enjoy kayo sa vlog na to na always lang talking vlog. Thank you so much and see you on my next vlog. Bye!